Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, September 26, 2023. Before we begin, just want to remind you, if you enjoy what you read here and watch here with NY and JPA weather, please like, share, and subscribe on the channel. And of course, if you're looking for more in-depth weather information, like what you see in the premium public video discussions every Friday, then definitely check out NY and JPA Weather Premium Consulting Membership, which you could see right at the top over there. So let's talk about our current conditions, and they continue to be raw and ugly with our maritime air mass being transported into the region. Northeasterly winds remain in place at 10 to 15 miles per hour, at times gusting up to 35, or should I say 25 miles per hour. We have temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast. And you can see on the radar and surface map from WeatherTap, you can see showers rotating in from the Atlantic, but also these showers just kind of staying stationary. And that's because we have two different modes of wind transport, one in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere and the lower levels of the atmosphere. From roughly 850 millibars down to 925 millibars on the surface, you have this east to northeasterly wind transporting moisture in from the Atlantic Ocean. But in the upper levels, you have winds coming in from the southwest. And so the interaction between those two produces stretching in the atmosphere. And you got these showers hanging around over the northern tier with this trough. That's a positive tilted trough over here. And then you got this transport of moisture to the south here, producing scattered showers, but also a lot of low clouds and drizzle. And you can see that very nicely here on the visible satellite picture as the sun is rising. A lot of low clouds hanging around. It's going to be another cloudy day for most of the region, but clearing as you head up towards the northern interior. So you're going to start to see a little bit more clearing up towards northern Connecticut, the Hudson River Valley, northeastern Pennsylvania. Very gradual, but it will be taking place as drier air tries to push south into the region. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see some of that drier air here in New England starting to work its way south. Most of the northern mid-Atlantic will remain, though, cloudy with drizzle and a few showers. Now, this feature here is going to be approaching our area by the time we get to the end of the week, and that's going to support what we call an inverted trough as a low pressure develops out here in the Atlantic, and that's going to support the potential for some moderate to heavy rainfall along the immediate coast. Further inland, you might just see a few isolated showers. When I say further inland, I mean like Philadelphia. Philadelphia, you could just end up with a few pesky showers and that's it. But Belmar, Atlantic City, Long Island, southern Connecticut, you can end up with easily picking up another inch of rain out of this, depending on the development of this trough. So we're going to keep an eye on that. We'll get more data as we get closer to it, especially over the next 48 hours. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, remaining raw out, cool, wet, damp, with showers, drizzle, cloudy skies, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower 60s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, high pressure will build south with clearing skies. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressures in control with sky cloud cover. Look for high temperatures generally in the mid 60s throughout the region. On Thursday, that trough begins to develop. So Thursday morning, you have sky cloud cover. Thursday afternoon, clouds begin to increase. Showers begin to develop along the coast. And some of those showers start to become a little bit heavier as you head towards the evening, especially along the southern and central New Jersey coast. A little bit further inland, sky cloud cover, and maybe a few isolated showers here and there. Again, you can see that low pressure system starting to organize and this trough starting to develop here as the shortwave that was in the upper Midwest heading towards the Ohio River Valley starts to jump towards the coast. So by Friday, that rainfall starts to develop. Oh, by the way, Thursday's temperatures would be helpful. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s. Now on Friday, that inverted trough develops and marches its way along central New Jersey coast through the New York City Metro, Long Island, Connecticut. So it's basically doing this track here, right? So as it's doing that, it's going to be setting up an area of moderate to heavy rainfall marching right along it. So This isn't an all-day rain event, but it's going to, once it hits you, it's going to produce some pretty heavy rainfall along the immediate coast. Further inland, like let's say Trenton, Philadelphia, northwestern New Jersey, just a few pesky showers. So you may pick up a tenth of an inch of rain, if that. And further inland towards the Poconos and the Catskills, barely a trace. But along the immediate coast, this could easily produce a half an inch of rain in a very short period of time. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Temperatures on Friday range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. On Saturday, that whole system exits with clearing skies expected. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s. On Sunday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies, low humidity. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. On Monday, high pressure again in control with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the interior and along the coast. Upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. A cold front will move through on Tuesday with an isolated shower possible for the most part, though, just sky cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe.